Kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you should never miss any kind of further video from my channel. Thank you. Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and must be enjoying your trading. Gold is always my favorite pair. Gold is always one of my best and favorite ever pair. I really love to trade on this pair. So in this video tutorial we are gonna take a look that what we can expect from gold in this week and how can it move. Well, on normal basis you can expect a move of 100 to 200 or 300 pips. This is the range of gold, right? So now what we can expect from gold in this week. First of all, if you are a beginner, you don't know how to predict the trend, you don't know how to predict the swings, okay, higher highs or higher lows, etc, etc, then the simplest ever tool I can tell you guys, use this one, 50 EMA line, right? You will go to here indicators list and you will choose up 50 EMA. Apart from that, on my channel you can see a lot of videos where I have told all the important things. Another important tool I will tell you guys, for intraday trading, whenever you are going to trade intraday, you can use a tool, a very important tool, which will tell you the strength of gold, right? So guys, you will come to Google and you will type here finviz.com, okay? After typing finviz.com, what you need to do, you will go to this website, okay, and then a new pop-up window will open, and after that what you need to do, you will come here, you will click on forex, okay. So after clicking on that, you will get a window like this. Now this is the thing where you will see gold, right? So you will see a window like this, gold, and it will tell you the strength of gold. So you can see from here that what is, if it is red, that means gold is downwards and it's down, so you can predict for the down. If it is green, that means gold is totally strong at this moment. Anyways guys, this is really important and I have a separate video for finviz.com, really important. At this moment, my dear students, we are in downtrend, right? So gold is in downtrend. On 1 hour time frame, gold is in downtrend. Let's take a look upon 4 hour time frame. This is here, it is mix up, so you can expect one thing. If this candle close further down below 50 EMA, then there is a huge chance for downward trend. And also on the daily candle, still we are in downward trend, right? So like as the market in a downtrend goes up, like it makes a low, then takes a retracement, so we can expect a little bit now new low here as well. So overall, on 1 hour time frame, on 4 hour time frame and daily time frame, we are in bearish trend. Keep this thing in your mind and you need to be really careful if you have any kind of buy entry. Let's take a look upon what trading central preference, what is the preference of trading central. I am big fan of this website. I am always using it for the daily basis. So according to their prediction, below 1737 below, we can predict for 1719. This is gonna be our first support. Second support will be 1711, and third support is gonna be 1799. Okay, so these are our support level on intraday trade level. If we go to daily time frame, so you guys can take a look upon this support, okay, and 1755 as well. So according to my thinking, dear students, dear my fellow traders, gold can take another dip, so it can make a move towards downward level and we can expect 1700 and 1690 and onwards like 1665. So we can keep this range in our mind. If it goes up, we have the resistance on this one on daily basis. Okay, we can expect this big level, okay, 1780. For the intraday trade levels, it is getting a resistance at these levels. Let me show you on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so normally this level is acting as a huge resistance. Okay, it 1 2 3 4, almost many times it had tried this level, but it is getting resistance again and again from this level, right? So overall, all the current scenarios are for the bearish trend. Always trade with a stop loss. You need to be really careful, never miss any kind of stop loss in your daily trading. Okay, so for the long term, still gold is in bearish direction. Okay, for the daily time frame, we can expect 1710 and then 1675. This is what we can expect from gold. I strongly believe we can expect a range of 1750 and 1690 or 1680. Kindly subscribe to my channel. It will be a pleasure for me, and I will continue to bring new content for you guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. You guys can join up my Telegram channel. Link is given in the description. So join it. Okay, and enjoy your trading. Have a nice day. Stay blessed.